once you have your settings created in Facebook and you've set up the basics of your app, then you can come to EzFanpageGenerator and start putting the settings in here. So the page I was creating before was called Basic Easy Fan Page. So just come here and type it in there. Now note down here this little comment here: all fan pages must have names which are at least 7 characters long but no more than 16. Now make sure you know that before you go starting to create pages in Facebook. It's very important, because you could end up with creating a page in Facebook that then you cannot link to properly because you end up with too many characters or too few characters. So try and make sure you always create your Facebook fan pages with 7 to 16 characters. So I've created that here. This is less than 16 characters. So I just click Add New FB Fan Page. That adds it for me across here. There we go, we got it here. And it's showing me at the moment I've got no tabs for this or anything. And so I can edit this just by clicking here. And now I can start filling in the rest of the settings for my fan page to get the information on my fan page showing up in Facebook. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to finish off getting our information from Facebook where we've already put the information in. And what we're going to get from Facebook are these settings here: fan page ID, app ID and app secret. This fan page username is a special username that you get from Facebook if your fan page has had more than 21 likes. And if you get that, then you can put that in here and it will give you a special URL that you can use to direct users to your fan page. So let's go and get the app ID and the app secret key from Facebook. So I go back into Facebook and here's my app ID. So I just copy that and paste it back in here like that. Let's get the secret key. So get that there, copy and paste that there. Now one thing about this secret key, in Facebook you can reset that at any time if you want, but if you ever do use this reset button there, you must come back here and change this, otherwise the like and reveal system and various other features won't work correctly with your fan page. After I finish doing this video, I will go back in here and click that button reset and change my key here, and then I'll come back here and I'll change this again so no one can use this information after the video has been produced and shown on YouTube. And if you're doing anything that shows this sort of information anytime and you think someone's found your secret key, then it's probably a wise move to go back into Facebook, just quickly press the reset button, copy that again, come back into EzFanpageGenerator and paste it back into this box here. Once you've done that, everything links itself back up again. You don't need to do anything further to get everything working. Okay, so we put that information in, and once we press update, that information is stored on here and we know how to link to our fan page. At the moment we haven't actually put in the fan page ID number, so I'll go and get that in a moment, because I'm going back to Facebook in one moment to get that fan page ID. But I want some information that's shown down here to put in the various settings in Facebook. Here we've got all the settings that you need for Facebook, what we're going to need to put there. We've got the site URL, this information here. We've got the site domain, this information here. We've got the canvas page. We've got the canvas URL, what we need to set the iframe size to, the tab name and the tab URL. Now you're going to see those in just one moment when I go back into Facebook and see how to use them. So now I'm back in Facebook and I'm going to enter the settings for my fan page from EzFanpageGenerator. So I come to the web settings and I want these website settings here, and I want the site URL, and this is the site URL that I got from EzFanpageGenerator. So there it is there, site URL, EzFanpageGenerator.com FB pages with a slash on the end. And so I pasted that in there. Site domain, the only part I need is just this little section there. Paste that. And if you look back here, you'll see that came from this here, site domain, EzFanpageGenerator.com. So what I put in there, EzFanpageGenerator.com. And so now we click Save Changes. So those changes have been saved. Now we come back to the On Facebook section, and we're going to want the Canvas page. So we put in there, let's put in the same name, Basic Easy Fan Page. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Let's just correct that. Basic Easy Fan Page. Now, if you get a situation where you try to put a Canvas page name in here, and Facebook tell you that someone's already used that Canvas page, don't worry, you can use anything you want for the Canvas page part. It's not used to link the WordPress blog to your Facebook fan page. It's an internal setting for Facebook themselves. So if this is different to the settings in your EzFanpageGenerator blog, it doesn't matter. Okay, so what we want next is the Canvas URL. So let's just quickly go and get. So here's our Canvas URL. So we copy that and we're going to paste that back into here. The secure Canvas URL, if you're using SSL, if you've got an SSL certificate on your website, then you put that in here. I'm going to show you a separate video that covers all of that, so watch the separate video for that. For the moment, I'm going to just ignore that. Here I want to set this to auto resize, the iframe size. You'll see that on the fan page, it already tells you that that's what you want to set it to, auto resize. Okay, so we come back, we want to put in the tab name, which is Basic Easy Fan Page, and the tab URL, which is the same as we had up there. And that's it, the secure tab URL. Again, if you're using SSL, then you put the setting in there, but I'm going to show you that in a separate video. Save changes, and it's all done. So that's everything done there now. Now there's one other thing that we need to do, and that's we need to just quickly go to View App Profile Page, and we need to add this Basic Easy Fan Page app. This is the app, not the fan page. We need to add it to the page. So we click Add to My Page. Here's the actual fan page. We click Add to Page. And it's done. We click Close. And now, if we go back to Facebook and Pages, we have our Basic Easy Fan Page. So let's just click on that. And here we are. There's the tab that we created, and at the moment it shows absolutely nothing, because at the moment there's nothing set up in our WordPress blog. So let's quickly go back to our WordPress blog. Here we are here. One thing we should have done, first before we did, we need this ID number, which is in the address bar at the top of the screen. You probably can't see this on the video, but I've just copied the ID equals out of my address bar, and I'm going to paste that in here in my fan page ID. Let me just see if I can go back and move my screen so you can see what it is. Let's just, can I move my screen? How do I move this? No. Okay, so I put the fan page ID in here. Now, if I just quickly come down here, let's just very quickly just type something in the header section here. basic easy fan page was very quick to set up. So let's just put just that, just so we get some sort of text in there. Click update. And if I now go back to Facebook and I just refresh my page here, it goes to my WordPress blog and grabs the content that I put in there and puts it on there for us. So that's the start of my fan page starting to appear here. We can now go back and start putting more information in and more tabs, but that will cover in another video. Let me just add just another couple of lines just so you see how it starts to appear. So basic easy fan page was very quick to set up. We can add more information and images and tabs to our fan page very quickly. Okay, so I just add just that extra one line, click it, update, and now when I go back to Facebook and I refresh the Facebook fan page, it now has our additional information. So that's the start of it, and in the next videos we'll go through enhancing the actual fan page using all the facilities in EzFanpageGenerator to have a very stylish fan page. One of the things you do want to do though before I go away from this video is make sure that this fan page section is going to be what everyone lands on when they come direct to your fan page. You could get them to come direct to the wall or to the info page or to photos, but really we're building up a good looking fan page here and we want them to land on that fan page. So come to edit information and go to manage permissions. And here you find default landing tab, and it's usually set to wall, but we can change it to the tab that we've created. Facebook's terminology on this is a little bit strange, and when they talk about fan pages, they mean all of this, whereas most times when we're talking about them, we really mean the actual landing section that we want to land on. So save that, and then when anyone comes back to your page, so we click view page, they will actually land on this part here. Now, you as an administrator of this page will often find that you'll end up on this section here, the get started part, but when a normal person lands on your fan page, they will go to whatever you've defined in that manage permissions section, and normally most times you want them to land on this fan page here that we're busy creating. So we'll go through the next stages now of creating more information for our fan page, putting on tabs, reveal tabs, opt-in forms, images, videos and things like that, and show you how to do that in all the upcoming videos.